Jody. I have a new process video for 'Tis the Season, 12 days of holiday scrapping videos with Audrey and Virginia. And I am up for day 18. I used that adorable cut file train from Confessions of a Paper Addict. And I have pulled out my last bits and pieces of a couple of older hip kit club kits. I guess the last couple of Christmassy ones. Just kind of piled them all together. And I backed the cut file. And now I'm putting a layer of vellum behind my picture. The background page is, I believe, from Crepe Paper's Snowflake, I think so. And this is when we took our little trip on the Polar Express. My little guy was super excited, and the conductor went around punching holes in their little tickets. So, of course, Mom saved those. Have to scrapbook that. And I was able to snap a quick pic of him holding his little ticket all ready to go. I did use a few splatters of my Heidi Swapp Color Shine. And I don't think I add any more. No, I don't. I think I just leave what's already there. I find a cute little holiday cheer sticker. And I found that cute Holly Jolly chipboard piece, and I definitely wanted to bring in some more gold. So I kept that there, and then I found another cheer and stickers that was gold. So I swapped that out for the blue letters. I love mixing and matching fonts. So I thought that was a fun way to change that up. And yeah, I'm not sure how I wanted that holiday to go, but I just kind of follow the curve of the H, and I love the way it turns out. Right? There's no rules about this title stuff. I like it, so I left it. I definitely want to add some more pops of gold. I believe those were also from the Snowflake Crepe Paper collection. So I'm just putting those mini puffy stickers also. So I'm just scattering those around. Those little bows are adorable. So I grab a few of those. There's a teeny tiny Merry Christmas in that cute little scripty font. So I put it there on the train. And I really like that frame of gold. So I'm just going to let it hug the front of the train and the back wheel, just to give a little bit more pops of gold. They fit perfectly. I'm sorry that my bottom got cut off, but hopefully you will see it in the close-ups. And then I found this cute frame. It's a little big, so I just decided to cut it up. And use just one corner of it to bring some more of that pretty minty color in. Let's see, I think I'm about done. I I did try a little gold deer on the left of the ticket, but it just looked like it was there. So that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks again to Audrey and Virginia for inviting me. Take care. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.